Welcome back to another tutorial. Today, I will make advanced speed ramping on CapCut look like After Effects. I tried to make this tutorial easy for you. Let's go to video, first check description below and find 4K football clips like this. And first, add beat mark and cut out highlighted clip. Like me, follow my steps. Cut out football clips according beat mark and go to the speed option and choose the montage graph and change like this. Make sure slow motion, add better quality, option choose. This makes your graph look smoother. Follow the same process of all clips. But follow my graph pattern, go to speed option and choose hero graph. Now, complete first step.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Second step is CC, go to filter option and choose Oppenheimer filter and amount set 60%.
Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat.
Next filter, add Glam Soul, amount set 25.
Go. through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
Go to effect, add glow to effect, glow amount 10 and size 25.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Second effect, add chrome blur, amount set 10 and 49. Add God rays effect. Follow my setting, follow my steps.
Fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number. Fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Add overlay and change the blending mode. Now, all steps is done. Export the video, and I hope enjoy my editing tutorial. Please like, share, and subscribe. Next tutorial suggest on comment.